Hey everyone, Moonshot AI has released Kimi K2.6, an advanced open source model. This is open source and you can see the benchmark on left side. But before moving to the benchmark, let's check what is new in this model. Because we had Kimi K2.5 also, but in Kimi K2.6, we have the new features are like long horizon coding. So it means this can run for a long time. We tested it and it runs for 12 hours continuously, and it is good in animation also. Motion rich front end in animation, like the libraries like framer motion, 3.js and JSUP. It is good using those libraries and making animated websites also. And it can run 300 parallel sub agents and 4000 steps per run. So it means that like you are hiring multiple developers at the same time, so it is working like that. And proactive agent schematic model powers OpenClaw Hermes agent, and it's powers the OpenClaw and Hermes agent also, which is working for 24 per 7 per automatically tasks a Claw group. Let's come here to the benchmark. It is competing with the top models like GPT 5.4 and Claude Opus 4.6. You can see in the benchmark, and the level up came a 2.6. Like always, in some area it is just up from them, in some area it is competing with them. So terminal bench, it is up from them, like Opus 4.6 is 65, but Kimi K2.6 is 66, and also GPT. And here also you can see it is up from them, and here a little bit down. And so at the benchmark, looking to the benchmark, it means it is a very advanced tool and open source that we can run at our machine and we can use it. And the pricing is also very good if you are using the API. So you can check it on Hugging Face also. So here you can just read all about this, the comparison with other models, and also check it here and come here to their blog. 2.6 advanced open source model. This is the benchmark that you can see. Look at, and it is at the coding. Look at the coding. It is up from GPT-4 and Post 4.6. Look at, it is 66 and these are 65. And also you can see is WE Bench Pro, it is up from them. So it means it is very good, and for long horizon tasks, like it is working for 12 hours continuously. So they tested it. This was the K2.5, but look at the K2.6 Kimi Code Bench. Okay, the Kimi Code Bench, it is 66, but the previous version was 57. So come down, and here you can see they tested this Kimi K2.6 successfully. They downloaded and deployed the Queen 3.50 billion model locally on Mac. It means they used it to download this model by implementing and using Zik, a highly niche programming language, and it demonstrated generation across 4,000 plus tool calls over 12 hours of continuous execution and 14 iteration. So it worked for 12 hours continuous execution and 14 iteration. So you can read about this model, this advanced coding model inside this website, their website. So let's now test it. Okay, so to test it, for that, come here to the Kimi website and just log in. And here I will paste a prompt to generate a website for me. You can just test it with a hard prompt to make websites, animated websites for you. So let's run this. Look at here, Kimi K 2.6. It is selected. So let's press this. So it will generate our website for us right now. That is agentic. Okay, look at here right now. It is just searching. It is the agentic capability of this model, and it will also use the Python to generate our code and build our website. So it is generating the code. We will just check that. A long HTML file that we will run. We'll complete the task, then we will run it. So it has generated and completed the task, the code. You can preview it here inside like this, or we can move and I save that inside a file, and we will check that here now. So this is our website. Look at this is the hero page. Come here down and you can see the animation. So look how beautiful this is. About me and services built for. and story. Everything is perfect. A surveys about work. Let's talk that. An animated website in even this will be per mobile also look at per mobile. Just this button I think that is not working. Yes. So it was all about the coding that we generated using this Kimi tool, Kimi K2.6. You can just go through the blog post and just read all about this feature that it has. Very good tool. And if you move to the pricing, let's move to the pricing also. Just come here to the API. If you would like to use the API, just move to the moonshot and you can use the API. Also, the pricing is good. Yes. Hash is 0. Median token per median token input 0.95 and output 4. Comparing to other models like Opus and others, it is too low to use it. So it was all about the new model which has been released, Kimi K2.6. I hope this video was helpful. If you would like to learn more about this, and I will make a video about the free API also in next video. So please like the video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.